Hello students, welcome to online classes. This is class 7, unit 2, Wanderlust, section 2, the diary of a space traveler. As we know, this unit 2 is all about exploration. So, this chapter is also based on the exploration. This is the chapter that we'll study today. So, the name of the chapter is The Diary of a Space Traveler. So, it was from Tarak Chatterjee that I got Professor Trilokeshwar Shonku's diary. Actually, this diary belongs to Trilokeshwar Shonku. He was a professor, and at once something odd struck me. Something odd struck me. So suddenly something was strange that was again and again hitting the mind of the Tarak Chatterjee. That something special was there in the diary of Trilokeshwar Shonku. So let us see what is the miracle in the diary. The color of the ink had been green the first time. When it would look at it now, it was red. How could that? So when in the starting he saw the diary, the color was green. You can see on the screen. But again when he was staring at the diary, so color was changed and that green color changed into red. I put the diary in my pocket. Obviously, I had made a mistake. I put the diary in my pocket without informing anybody. So I was thinking that really it is a mistake. I should not do it. My heart skipped a beat when I opened the diary at home. The ink was now blue, and before my very eyes, the ink turned to yellow. So first it was green, then turned into red. Now when he came back to home, it was blue. Now see the miracle what happened? Now that color again changed into yellow. So this was the miracle in the diary. The diary fell from my trembling hands. My dog Bulo pounced upon it as soon as. Then he said, one pet dog he had. So what he did? Diary fell down from the from the hand of Tarak. His dog took the diary. Why it fell down? Because his hands were trembling, means shaking. It hit the floor, but amazingly his teeth could do not damage to the notebook. I tried. It fell down on the floor, but nothing happened to the diary. And suddenly, Bhulo put that diary with his teeth. He took that diary with his teeth, pulling a page out and realized that the paper was impossible to tear. It was elastic. Now, one more wonderful thing that Bhulo cannot tear the pages. Why? The reason was the paper were looking like as it was made up of elastic. I lit my stove and dropped the diary into the naked flames. Nothing happened, only the color of the ink changed. Now see, again and continuously he was doing the experiments on the diary. First he saw changing of the color, then he saw that the pages were made of elastic. Now the worst thing he did, he put the diary in the fire. But what happened? Nothing happened, only the color of the ink changed. After throwing the diary in the fire, nothing happened. Means diary was safe, only the color of ink was changed. That some night I read the diary. This is what I read. It is for you to judge whether it is true or false, possible or impossible. So same night, he started reading the diary. He started reading. This is what I read. It is for you to judge whether it is true or false. He said, whatever he has read in the diary, it was very difficult to believe. You will not believe that it is possible or impossible, it is true or false. Now, Professor Shonku's diary, 2nd January. Now, the incident of 2nd January was mentioned on Shonku's diary. My anxieties regarding the rocket are slowly ebbing down. The closer I get to my date of departure, the more enthusiastic I feel. Anxieties means, here you can see the word meanings. Anxieties means worries or feeling of fear, especially about the future. Ebbing means decreasing gradually. Gradually means slowly. Departure means leaving on or going away from the place. Enthusiastic, excited. So, here the poet wants to say that his worries regarding the rocket were slowing down, decreasing. The closer I get to my date of departure, the more enthusiastic I feel. The day I was feeling that my departure date is about to come, he was more enthusiastic, more zealous. So he was very excited. Now I am beginning to think that my first attempt had failed only because of Prahlad. He had moved the arms of the clock, in the complex venture like this every second matters. The writer says that I am beginning to think. He was thinking that his first attempt means when he tried it first time, he was failed. He had failed. Attempt had failed only because of Prahlad. Prahlad was the only reason of his failure. He had moved the arms of the clock in a complex venture like this every second matters. Now see the hard words. Here, complex means emotional problem that makes somebody worry too much about something in a way that is not normal. Means here an emotional problem. Venture, an undertaking usually involving some risk. Means some risk. Venture means risk. Here, the writer says that Prahlad was only the person whom he blamed for his failure because he changed the time of the clock. This is very second matter. So here hard words. Venture means an undertaking usually involving some risk. When we take some risk, that is called venture. So now Prahlad's mistake delayed me by nearly 3.5 hours. Means Prahlad changed the time of the clock, he changed the needle. So he was delayed 3.5 hours. No wonder that the rocket rose and fell again with a loud thud. No wonder that the rocket rose and fell again with a thud. When the rocket rose, it made a deep, heavy sound. Thud means deep, heavy sound. The low sound that is made when a heavy object hits something else. So, thud, the low sound that is made when a heavy object hits something else. 5th January, now this is the incident of 5th January. All the incidents were mentioned in Professor's diary. Whose diary it was? Professor Shonku's. 5th January, I am tired of Prahlad's section. He's been with me for 27 years, yet it seems his brain does not function at all. Prahlad is a fool, but it may well be useful to have him. Professor wrote that Prahlad was with me from last 27 years. Sometimes it seems that his brain is not developed and he looks like fool. But he says that sometimes foolish person is also useful. Slow and foolish people can show more courage than clever ones, as it takes them longer to reason, to feel scared. If the person will be foolish, he will not put too much mind how it happened, when it happened, and what it is. But if the genius person will be there, he will raise questions. All WH questions will be there by genius person. So professor wrote that sometime it is good to have a company of foolish person. That Prahlad was with me. There is no doubt that Prahlad is very brave, so I think I will take Prahlad with me. Weight should not be a problem. Professor thought, I will take Prahlad with me. His weight will not be a problem because the weight that he can take in the rocket, if he'll calculate all, so he can take Prahlad. Prahlad weighs 62 kg. My weight 58 kg. My robot Bidu Shekhar is 90 kg and all the other material weights 60 kg. So writer says that all together my rocket can take anything up to 50 kg. So if I'll calculate all, so I can take Prahlad with me. So Bindu Shekhar's weight 90 kg, Prahlad's weight 62 kg, and professor's weight 58 kg, and another material that he has to carry, that was 60 kg. So 8th January, I have decided to take my cat Newton with me. He has been mewing pathetically. Perhaps he knows that the time of my departure is now quite close. He has one cat and it was continuously mewing pathetically. Pathetically means sorrow of or sympathy. Sorrowfully, the cat was continuously mewing. Means it knows that its master is leaving. Now departure time has come. So 21st January, we left Earth 7 days ago. Our food supply should last us 5 years. Newton does not have to be fed more than once a week. One fish pill is good enough for him to last 7 days. Means on 21st Jan, they left the earth 7 days ago. 7 days ago, they left the earth. Their food supply should last us 5 years. That much food they have. Newton does not have to be fed more than one a week. One fish pill means there they can't carry the food, so they took the pills. So one pill equal to their one meal. So one pill is good enough for him to last 7 days. Here see, they took the pills with them. For Prahlad and myself, I have taken the special pill. One tiny pill keeps hunger and thirst at bay for 24 hours. If they take one tiny pill, with that pill, their hunger and their thirst can be satisfied for 24 hours. I have taken two. They took 2 lakhs pills with them. Means when they were going, they took the pills with them. Newton was restless during the first few days, possibly because he wasn't used to being kept in a confined space. Since yesterday, however, he has been sitting quietly on my desk, staring out of the window. Newton was the pet of Mr. Professor Mr. Shanku. He also he was thinking about Newton, that Newton sitting quietly and not responding at all because it knows that my departure time has come. The sky looks totally black, but there are endless bright luminous stars and planets. Prahlad appears to feel absolutely no interest in watching the scenery outside. Now, sky was totally black. and but there are endless bright luminous stars. Stars, here see the meanings. Luminous means bright. So many endless new luminous shining stars were there and planets were there. Prahlad appears to feel absolutely no interest in watching the scenery outside. And Prahlad was not interested at all to see outside. A luminous is hard word, it means bright. So, this was the first part of the space traveler. The story will be continued in second part also. So, stay at home, stay safe, write the word meanings in your English notebook, complete the task given by the teacher.